Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Profile Plus. This is Padma. My heartfelt gratitude to all my viewers. In recent times, our channel has reached more than 10,000 views. So it's really overwhelming for me, and thanks for your continuous support. In this video today, we are going to look into some interesting phrases where you can use at your workplace. Let's begin. Yes friends, how many of you are really struggling to frame sentences at your workplace on your day-to-day conversations? See, normally at a workplace, it is mandatory or it is so important that you make your sentences with no much grammatical errors. Don't you think so? And there are people who still speak pretty confident but not really, having that sentence structures very correct. For those people, I have just picked a few sentences which are very simple to use on your day-to-day conversation. Probably we'll make video number 2 and video number 3 on the same topic sometime later. So today in this video, I picked up some 8 interesting and simple phrases. My very first phrase here is, I ensure that the project will go live before Wednesday. Means when your team lead or when your hierarchy or anybody comes and asks you about the project what you are working on. Example, you will be able to complete it only after 3 days or only after 4 days or after a week. You still wanted to make an assurance that you will complete it before this. In that case, you can use this phrase. It will be perfectly suitable for the situation. I ensure that the project will go live. I ensure that the project will go live before Wednesday. So it is some assurance what you give about when you can just bring this project on live. So try to use this sentence, friends. And the next one here is, keep these documents aside. See, normally there are many colleagues who keep their tables so clumsy, isn't it? In that case, the first and foremost thing your team lead or any of your higher officials come, the first thing they instruct you is, please keep all these documents aside. Okay, let me hear it from you. Let me hear it from you. Rather looking at the documents, just you please come up explaining things. That's what it means. So you have to make a phrase very perfectly, keep these documents aside. Example, you are working with a very tight schedule for some time. Definitely at one point of moment, you may require a break. How do you just say that to your colleagues? You have to say, let's take a break or let's have a break. So always say, look, come, let's go for a coffee. Very cliche, very usual dialogues. Just say it little more stylish. Let's take a break or let's have a break. This is also a very simple phrase where you can use it on your day-to-day English. My fourth phrase here is, I need to take the day off. What do you mean by I need to take the day off? It means just by you are going on a off. Means you are taking a leave. See, normally we say that tomorrow I'm going to take leave. Please stop using all those sentences and try to just little advance your English by using this kind of a phrases, friends. So what you have to exactly use there is, I need to take the day off. I need to take the day off on my birthday. Say for example, I need to take the day off. Please don't make any prepositional errors also here. It is absolutely this way. Okay, I need to take the day off. Later you can add up words on your birthday or on your wedding or whatever. Okay, so the next one here is, how long will this meeting last? This is a very usual question, friends. Whenever you are on a meeting, we used to always murmur, right? Between your colleagues, you always wanted to know, how long will this meeting last? Don't say when will this be over? When will this get completed? Stop all that. Just use this stylish way. How long will this meeting last? How long will this meeting last? Which means that you're asking, when is it going to be over? Fine? Okay. The next one here is, okay, could you take me, okay, through this process? Example, there are some new projects coming up and the team leader or your higher officials are trying to explain you, but still you need more clarity to just jump. Okay, in that case you can always use this phrase, very stylish phrase, could you walk me? Could you walk me? Walk me here means you are just trying to get more details. Okay, so could you walk me through this process? So could you explain me even more clear with this process so that I can work, I can start my work. That's it. The next one here, okay, Fine. I get along with people so easily at my workplace. See, I get on with people. I get on means you are a friendly person and you have basically a nature to just go and gel with your colleagues so easily. Okay, it is a very rare quality. Not everyone has this. Okay, many people, they don't have this quality in them. They keep themselves, very closed. They never just, open up things to their colleagues. There are some people who are being very, very reserved. But here you are trying to put forth a comment saying that you are just trying to express yourself. I get on with people. I get on with people at the workplace, at my office easily. I get on with people at my office easily. This is also your day-to-day phrases. The last one here is, okay, I will take a few minutes to process the invoice. See, this also suits a lot of manufacturing industries. It's like a very usual thing that you use this word invoice at least 10 times or 20 times in a day. Okay, so please make sure you correct the sentence from now. I will take a few minutes. It will take a few minutes. It will take a few minutes to process. Yeah, to process this invoice. Maybe you're making the other person to wait for a few minutes because you wanted to take a few minutes to process the invoice. So this is how you have to explain by using the perfect English advanced sentences. I hope this video will be definitely useful for you. Hope you take notes on all these sentences and try to use it as soon as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. Enrich, empower and emerge with English. All the best, friends.